Hello everyone. Today I will make for you the beautiful girl. You're very gonna like it. Yes, start. Now I will do the eyes. And now the mouth. And now the ears. Small ears. Now I will do the hair. Now the dress. Tall dress. And now the hands. And now heart. And now I start curling. And the eyes. Now the mouth. The sun. Let's color. Green, pink. The banana is yellow. And apple is yellow. And something is yellow. And dress is yellow. Is brown. Here's the color brown. I must to draw something. Flower. I like to draw. Pink, orange, purple, red, yellow, blue, green, white, purple, balls, yellow, 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 yellow. Her shoe is orange. Wait, Almasuri. Bye. Like and share and subscribe. Bye.